Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video is I'm going to unwrap my orders in Shein. So it's my first time to order in Shein guys. Sinatry ko talaga para malaman ko kung ano talaga yung quality. So first, ano ito? Parang hindi ko alam kung ano. Return process yata. And this is the first one I ordered. So the brand is from Seasons in Shein. Next is a blouse, tops from Shein. So tingnan natin mamaya kung ano yung quality ng tela niya. And this one is a hat. Anong tawag dyan? Buckle hat? Ano yan? And the last one is a dress. That is a dress from Shein. Isusuot ko sana sa Christmas party kaso hindi umabot. And ang ganda ng tela niya. Flowy. Satisfied naman ako sa kanyang tela. And this is the buckle hat. So I'll try to open it. Mura lang yung buckle hat guys. Mga 80 pesos lang yan. Tagal ma-open. Wait muna guys. Ito na. So, tingnan natin kung kasya. Tadaan! May hat-hatan ako guys. Para pang summer yan. So, contented naman ako sa hat. So, this is my dress from Shein. May belt yan, kaso hindi ko nakita na may belt pala siya. So, ang ganda ng kanyang tela, flowy, yung smooth na smooth. So, it's just cost mga 400 pesos. This one is a blouse from Shein, around 200 pesos. 200 plus. Okay, this top is from Seasons. Okay, parang large yata ito, pero okay na rin. I-insert na lang. So far, ang ganda-ganda ng mga na-order ko from Shein. And definitely will order again. Bye!